This is going to be very small video, but equally informative and interesting, so let's begin. Initial public offering can be made through the fixed price method, book building method, or a combination of both. Difference between shares offered through book building and fixed price process can be identified based on three major pillars: pricing, demand, and payments. Let us understand them one by one.
Pricing. Under fixed price IPO, price at which the securities are offered or allotted is known in advance to the investors. However, in book building IPO, only an indicative price range is known. Exact pricing is not known. Then comes demand. In fixed price IPO, demand for the securities offered is known only after the closure of the issue. However, in book building IPO, it is known almost real time. Last pillar is about payments. Payment is made at the time of subscription in fixed price IPO, wherein refund is given after allocation. While in book building IPO, payments are only blocked in an investor's bank account, generally known as ASB8, application supported blocked amount. We will dedicate a small video later on this topic as well.
You now understood this difference. So let us focus on different price levels which you might have heard or observed in various reports. Let us demystify what is floor price and cutoff price in book building IPO. Company coming up with a book building public issue decides a price band for the issue. The price band usually contains an upper and a lower level. Floor price is the minimum price at which bids can be made for an IPO. Investors can bid for the book build IPO at any price in the price band decided by the company. In book build process, retail investors have an addition option to choose cutoff price for bidding. Cutoff price means the investor is ready to pay whatever price is decided by the company at the end of the book building process. Retail investor has to pay the highest price while placing the bid at cutoff price. If company decides the final price lower than the highest price asked for IPO, the remaining amount is returned to investor.
Let us understand this with one example. Suppose company ABC launch an IPO with a price band of Rs 90 to 100, then here Rs 90 becomes the floor price, which is a lower price of price range. Now retail investor can choose any price to bid falling in price band, that means prices between 90 to 100, both inclusive, or opt for cut-off price. Let us assume Mr. A bidded with the highest price at Rs 100 and Mr. B bidded at cutoff price, where company decides to issue shares at 95 rupees. Then, Mr. A who applied at upper band will get allotment at 100 rupees and Mr. B will get benefited, who will get allotment at 95 rupees. If the same company would have decided to issue shares at 120 rupees, then Mr. A would have not got allotment, however Mr. B would have got the shares at 120.
We have released total of 5 videos in this tutorial and working on few more interesting details to be shared soon. Hope you like our efforts. Please do comment and suggest on which topic you would like us to make our next educational series. We will be discussing a very interesting and beneficial topic for you in our next video, which will help you understand different allotment basis as per client category, which we had briefly touched upon in our earlier video. If you are yet to visit that video, please check the description box for more details and don't lose an opportunity to open a Demat account with leading stockbrokers and start your journey of wealth building soon.